this stage, the child is a completely developed living organism. The better you understand all of these facts, the better you will be prepared to discharge one of the greatest responsibilities of parenthood, the intelligent education of your child.
Okay, a must-have skill for every homesteader. We're going to show how to sharpen a knife. I have my Lansky stone sharpening kit here. I'm just going to pop these out. So we just want to hand tighten these screws. And then what we want to do is make sure that this is flat. If one of these isn't flat, all you got to do is just bend this up or down until you get it nice and flat. Alright, next thing I'm going to do, put my knife. One trick that I like to use when I'm sharpening is get a Sharpie, and the blade, it's obvious on this knife because it's oxidized. But that blade that I'm going to sharpen, I'm just going to hit with Sharpie marker. And what you'll see is, as I sharpen the blade, that Sharpie will disappear or it will stay in the areas that I need to hit a little bit more. For me, I wrote all of my normal angles in here. Razor blade, almost like a straight razor if you were shaving, your kitchen knives, most of my knives, and then if you're cutting a lot of cardboard or carpet. So we're going to be sharpening this at 25 degrees. You'll see that the Lansky kit, 25. So we're going to start with the coarse. Put a couple drops of oil on there. So you see a sweeping towards my hand motion. I'm not going in circles, I'm not going back and forth. I'll try to do this 6 to 10 times, depending on how frequent or how dull that knife is. And then if you look, see how that blade is getting shiny again. But you can see that tip, I missed some spots on there. There's still some Sharpie marker there. Flip her over. The kit doesn't say this, but this is just what I do. Since I was hitting one side so much, it's going to create a roll on that knife a little bit. And then I flipped it around and I did the other side. So what I do is I tap it one more time to get rid of that roll before I move on to the next. Okay, and then if I did everything right, that blade should look nice and shiny. And you can see there's still some Sharpie there. Look this way. That one looks nice and shiny. A little Sharpie right there. So if I wanted to tune those up a little bit, and this one was right in that middle section. There you go. I'm pretty happy with that. A couple different ways you can test that you sharpen the knife perfectly. Some people like just put in their knife, no pressure, on one of their nails and just move it. There should be just ever so slightly a little mark. I prefer this, a little bit more quantitative. Get a piece of paper and just see if you can shave off. See how that comes off nice and easy.